यस, हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, जय हिंद। स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम पढ़ेंगे चैप्टर 11 मॉर्निंग सेक्शन से हाइपरबोला। हाइपरबोला पढ़ने से पहले मैं आपको बताना चाहूँगा कि जो हमारे न्यूक्लियर पावर प्लांट होते हैं उनकी शेप कैसी होती है बेटा, कुछ इस तरीके से हाइपरबोलिक। तो चलिए इसकी हम डेफिनेशन देखते हैं। A hyperbola is a set of ball points in a plane, the difference of whose distance is from two fixed points in a plane is constant. Yes, जय हिंद स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम पढ़ेंगे हाइपरबोला, जिसमें स्टैंडर्ड डेफिनेशन जो होती है हाइपरबोला की दो होती हैं, एक्स स्क्वायर अपॉन ए स्क्वायर माइनस वाई स्क्वायर अपॉन बी स्क्वायर इक्वल टू 1. दिस इज कॉल्ड द हॉरिजॉन्टल हाइपरबोला and this one is called the vertical hyperbola, where the standard equation is x y square upon a square minus x square upon b square is equal to 1. Also on another one, we have to find b. B is equal to c square minus b square is equal to c square minus a square, or we can say that b is equal to under root of c square minus b square. Okay. Friends, we will look here the difference of whose distance from two fixed points in a plane is constant. Suppose we have taken any randomly points on P1, P2, P3. Now the difference P1 F2 minus P1 F1. यहाँ पर हम ग्रेटर डिस्टेंस वो लेंगे जिसका हमारा जो फर्दर होगा इस पॉइंट से, फर्दर होने वाला फोकस है तो ये पहले लेंगे, फिर उसके बाद इस पॉइंट से हम इसमें से माइनस कर देंगे. P1 F2 minus P1 F1 as it is P3 F1 P3 minus F2. Now the two fixed points F1 and F2 are called the foci of the hyperbola. The midpoint of the line segment joining the two foci is called center of the hyperbola. Look here, this F1 and F2, midpoint of line segment joining the two foci, this point is called the center of the hyperbola. And the line segment through the foci, this line is conjugate axis, but this line is transverse axis. The line through the foci F1 और F2 में जो लाइन पास होगी उसे हम बोलेंगे बेटा ट्रांसवर्स एक्सिस. And the line through the center and perpendicular to the transverse axis. We look here that the line which is passing through the center, this line, but also this line is perpendicular to the transverse axis, so this called conjugate axis. And the point at which hyperbola intersect the transverse axis, you will look here, ये हाइपरबोला यहाँ पर भी ट्रांसवर्स एक्सिस पे से इंटरसेक्ट कर रहा है ये पॉइंट, ये वाला पॉइंट, ये पॉइंट क्या है हमारे वर्टेक्स है हमारे हाइपरबोला के. ठीक है फ्रेंड्स, we will look now here the standard equation of the hyperbola. There are two standard equations of hyperbola. Number one, x square upon a square minus y square upon b square. Number two, y square upon b square minus x square upon a square. Also, this is called horizontal hyperbola and this is called vertical hyperbola. Here, where x square upon a, if this is positive, we will look here that x square upon a square is positive, so the x-axis is along x-axis. This one x dash y dash. This is called this one transverse axis and this one called the conjugate axis. Also, focus point are f1 minus c0, f2 c0 and its vertex point where hyperbola and transverse axis intersect each other. This point A and B are called the vertex of the hyperbola. A point is minus a0, B point is b0. Also, focus point is plus minus c0 and vertex point is plus minus a0. Here, this 0 is here because the y-axis is here 0. Also, length of transverse axis is 2a. This a and this one will become 2a. Also, we have a relation between this one is transverse axis and this one is conjugate axis. So relation between semi conjugate axis and semi transverse axis and focus is b is equal to under root c square minus a square. So we can find easily b. Now the length of conjugate axis is 2b. By using this formula, we will obtain b. Also, E is equal to C upon A. And one question is there: the eccentricity of hyperbola is E greater than 1. Then let us set time is 2b square upon A. You will look here again, x square upon a square minus y square upon b square is equal to 1. So we have to look here, this is negative and this is positive. So if it is positive, then the hyperbola is lie on the x-axis. Then this condition. Second condition, y square upon a square minus x square upon b square is equal to 1. This is called vertical hyperbola. So here y square upon a square is positive term, so it is along the y-axis. Here same way, this one is focus point F1, F2 and A and B are the vertex of the hyperbola. Also the axis is what here transverse axis, and this axis will become here conjugate axis. So we will write here focus point are 0 plus minus C. We will take here focus point 0 because the x-axis is 0 and focus point is plus C and that is minus C. After that the vertex point will be 0 plus minus A. In same case we have to find the semi conjugate axis by using this formula, b is equal to under root c square minus b square. Now length of transverse axis is 2a and length of conjugate axis is 2b. Same case we have here is equal to c upon a and l is equal to 2b square upon a. By using these formulas, you have completed your exercise 11.4. Okay, thank you class. Bye. And in our next exercise, I will try to complete your miscellaneous exercise, which is chapter number 11 and question number 5 and question number 8 are very important for your exams. Okay, see you soon. Bye. Jai Hind.